Problem 7 has us solving for x and needing to use the properties of logarithms. So let's get on that. Part A says we've got the natural log of 50 times e to the 0.99x is equal to 25. So right away, I'm going to exponentiate. And just like before, I'm going to use e. So that I've got e to the natural log of 50e to the 0.99x is equal to e to the 25th. So then on the left side, I just have 50e to the 0.99x is equal to e to the 25th. Okay, so I'm trying to solve for x here. To do that, I think what I can do first is divide both sides by 50. Also, before you put any of this in your calculator, please note that this is a huge number. Depending on the calculator that you're using, it might not like this number, so don't put anything into your calculator yet. Trust me, this will save us from some headache, I think. But to solve for x, I'm going to divide both sides by 50. So we get e to the 25th over 50. And then, since I have x trapped inside of the exponent on the left-hand side, I'm going to logarithmiate. So we'll just take the natural log of both sides. Okay, so when we do that and you put it into your calculator, well, I guess let me write out what this will be first. I should get 0.99x is equal to the natural log of e to the 25th over 50. To solve for x, we'll divide both sides by 0.99. And when we put this into our calculator, we should get the x is 21.3. So for that problem, we had to exponentiate and logarithmiate. So that's a whole lot of fun. For part B, this looks a little bit weird because I have a minus sign here. So at this point in time, I cannot exponentiate. I'm going to write that down because it's important. So as it's written, I do not want to exponentiate. I need to combine those, but thank goodness I know how to combine those using our logarithm rules. So remember that when I have subtraction, this becomes division, right? Because they're exponents. So this becomes log of x cubed divided by x, which is just log of x squared. So I've got log of x squared is equal to 4. And I will exponentiate using 10 as my base. So I have 10 to the log of x squared is equal to 10 to the 4th. So that x squared is equal to 10 to the 4th. Take the square root of both sides to get x is equal to plus or minus 100. Okay, but we need to be a little bit careful here, because notice that in our original problem, I had just log of x. So I can't have log of negative 100. So negative 100 is not a solution. So our only answer here is x is equal to 100. And that